Indicators here. We're continuing with our, I put $5,000 in a cash account and I'm just trading a couple micros per day. Already hit my goal earlier, but saw this sweet trade and I actually thought I had a different account selected, but I have my cash account selected when I took this trade. So, and I thought I was on regular NQ, but I'm on MNQ. So this all works out. So why are we in this trade? Oh, we got a green background. Why are we taking a short? Well, a couple things. Number one is price action. Look at this. Look at this top. See this top line right here? This is an indicator we haven't released yet, but this is a pivot point for all intents and purposes. It's a lot more than that, but and we had this consolidation up here. You got to look at price action. Never be one of these people that are just like, I just bought an indicator. When I get an arrow, I buy it. And when I get another arrow, I sell it. Like, you got to understand price action and look at it. Just couldn't break past. Let me draw this out. It just couldn't break past here. It's just consolidating this whole way. And look, now we're breaking to the downside. So, so we're breaking to the downside. We've gone from bright green candles. Look at this huge move up. Bright green candles, all these confidence arrows to the upside. You're above the Maverick guide. Remember, when you're above this blue line, right here, we go long. When you're below the blue line, we go short. Above the blue line, long. Below the blue line, short. You had some consolidation. This is lunchtime. That's garbage. Nobody's trading during lunch. But, you know, below the blue line, short. Above the blue line, long. Below the blue line, short. You know, we could do this all day long. Above the blue line, long. Below the blue line, short. Okay. I'm only in 2 micros and I'm already up $70. So, now again, I thought I was buying minis and I thought I had my funded account selected. So it is what it is. So I should be up $500, but that's okay. You gotta, sometimes you just see a trade on your chart. I'm sure we've all been guilty of it. And you just get into the trade. I remember when I first started trading, I had a terrible mistake where I bought the wrong direction and I bought too heavy and it didn't work out well for me. So we're coming down and we've gone from bright green candles, which is your strongest upside candle. If you ever want to look at a candle and you're like, I don't know really what's going on behind the scenes, what's really the data saying, just because you have direction and size, there's so much more to the story. Well, let the Maverick AI Pro tell you, bright green is your strongest upside candle. Hot pink is your strongest downside candle. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. And gray is reversal or indecision candle. And right now, depending on how it reacts, now look, you're getting the turn of the 5-minute candle. You're getting the turn of the 5-minute candle, so you're gonna get retracement. You're gonna get market makers coming back up, grabbing everybody's stop losses, and then continuing to the downside if that's where it wants to go. First minute and last minute of a 5-minute candle, I always sit on my hands. Let me tell you, look at these wicks. Okay. What else can I tell you about this trade? Maverick Multi-X, look at this. All 5 traders, trader 1 through trader 5, they all have a different style. They all have different preferences. Think of these as, these are algorithms, but think of them as all very different traders. They're all voting bearish across the 1 minute and mostly across the 2 minute, and we're starting to turn on the 3 and the 5 minute. This is like trading with 5 other expert traders. That's how I like to think of it. Okay. This indicator right here, working name is Maverick Pivots. It's way more than just pivot points, but look how it's just like it came up and it touched it and it's pushing on back down. And yeah, let's see here. So now I'm fighting with my emotions because I thought I was getting into 2 minis and I was on my regular NQ chart on my funded account. Well, I'm on my cash account, which we started with $5,000. My goal, to remind you, if you haven't seen my other videos, this week I started a cash account We have a bunch of funded accounts, but I started a fund cash account, threw five grand into it, and my goal for week 1 is about $200 a day, which I already posted a video earlier today where we took 4 contracts and crushed that. And then week 2, I'll shoot for about $250 a day. I'll add a micro or 2. Week 3, I'll add a couple more micros, and so on and so forth. So my goal is after like 2-3 weeks to be, at least 50% up on the account. That's my goal. Not financial advice. Do your own research. I'm not telling you got to do anything. I'm just so anyway, fighting with my emotions because I thought I was getting into 2 minis, and I'd be up $900 right now. But I'm up $90 because I'm in 2 micros. But it wouldn't be worth, like, me personally. I'm not going to close this trade, jump over to NQ, get on. That's when you get hurt. All right, so I'm going to add one more contract to this. And I'm going to shoot for, well, I got to pay attention to the time too. Market's going to be closing, not the futures market, but the regular market is going to be closing in about 2 minutes. So, so anyway. So what I would love right now is so we had bright green candles to the upside, then regular green. Now we have gray reversal candles. I have 1 down confidence arrow. My Maverick Multi-X, look at this. Now, Trader 1 through Trader 5 are all voting bearish on the 1 minute, mostly the 2 minute, mostly the 3 minute. Now the 5 minute is starting to turn. So that's a beautiful thing. This is such a sharp move. The Maverick trender has not shown a trend yet. So I'm a little like, ooh. I like all my indicators to line up. But we're not risking a ton here. We're just in 3 micros. And again, I say this all the time. These are the indicators I wish I had when I first started trading, right? Okay, now we're pumping down. Heck yeah. We're only in 3 micros. We're up $125. Remember, my daily goal is only $200 on this cash account. My funded accounts, that's much different. But on my cash accounts, we're just looking to make $200 a day per day for the first, first week or so. So listen, if you want clear vision on your charts as this thing sinks down, if you want, quite frankly, the indicators I wish I had when I first started, come check us out. Not financial advice, do your own research. Come read what our traders are saying. And again, welcome to all our new traders that joined in the last day or so. I had a lot of people join yesterday. It was very, very cool. And a lot of success already. I've gotten quite a few emails today of pretty awesome. I don't want to call them out and embarrass them, but like just really awesome results right out of the gate. Anyway, just really, really, really cool. It makes my day when I get the emails where it's like, I just took my first trade with these indicators and I just crushed it. Or, hey, I'm the morning in and look at my P&L already. It's like, hell yeah. Not saying you're going to get those results, just saying that those are some emails I got today. So come check us out. Don't take my word for it. Read the reviews on our website, MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. And I'm going to keep watching this trade. And hope you guys have a great day. Trade safe. Would love to help you crush it. MaverickIndicators.com.